In this video, I will teach you how to make vegetable sauce. Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Gary. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare vegetable sauce. In this sauce, I use pumpkin leaves, then I also use smoked fish, that's hake fish. If you know this panla fish, that's what we call it over here in Lagos, Nigeria. We call it panla fish. Then I also used pomo. I just used very basic ingredients, so stick around to find out how I made this delicious sauce. I added blended onion, little ginger powder, then some little thyme and little seasoning. That's about quarter teaspoon, like very little seasoning, to our already washed smoked fish. So the next thing I did was to add about half cup of palm oil to our already heated pot. Then we'll allow the palm oil to get heated up. So right about now, I just added my smoked fish. Then I'll allow it to fry very well, like it should fry till it's a bit hard, but not too hard though, so that you'll be able to chew it, but you should fry it till it's a bit hard. Then I took it out of the oil. After taking it out, the next thing I did was to add my chopped onions. I allowed it to fry till it was a bit fragrant. This bowl of blended tomatoes contains little fresh pepper, little bawa, that's our chili pepper, then some onions. So the next thing I added was my tomato paste. Tomato paste tastes very sour, so that's why we have to fry it first before we add our fresh tomatoes. You can see I'm stirring vigorously. You stir very well in order to remove the raw taste, and you allow it to fry well in order for the raw taste to go out. After frying for some time, then I added my blended tomatoes, and I also gave it a good stir. You stir very well so everything will blend well. So our pomo has been washed and boiled. I added little salt when boiling it. Then I also chopped it into smaller chunks like this. Next thing we'll be adding is our pomo. We'll add our pomo to the sauce that is frying. Then we'll give it a good stir. So we're going to bring back our fish that we fried earlier. We'll add it into the pot, then we'll stir very well, because at this point the sauce will start sticking to the bottom of the pot. It's likely to start getting burnt, so you have to keep an eye on it properly, like you have to watch it closely and stir properly. At this point we'll add 1 cup of water, then stir again. Can you see what I'm seeing? You dey feel am guys. At this point I wanted to put off the burner, like I wanted to off the gas and start eating. The aroma filled everywhere, like I was even so hungry, but I just had to continue cooking. So watch me closely now. Next thing I added was dawa. I don't know, some people call it okpei, or I don't know the other name, but it's commonly called dawa. This little spice, as small as it is, it brought in this African, this epic taste. Like it just turns the food around 360. Like you actually need to get this spice. Like it's a big game changer. Now this kind sauce na dey call confirm neighbor disturber. It was so tasty. The aroma alone did not allow people to rest. So the next thing I'll be adding is our washed vegetables. I washed it thoroughly before I chopped it. Make sure you wash your own very well. If you don't wash it well, you are going to purge, like you'll be stooling. So you need to wash your vegetable very well. And green leafy vegetables are very healthy. So I added it to the pot. Then I gave it a good stir. Can you see the color? It's so inviting. So the seasoning I used is a combination of chicken stock cube and fish stock cube. The fish stock cube contains stock fish, smoked fish, dried fish. Like, if you need the name of this seasoning I used, like the exact brand, because they are not paying me for adverts, so I can't mention the name of the brands I used. You can just send me a DM. I'll be leaving my social media handles, so you can send me a message through any one of them, and you can ask me any other question about food that you want to know. So now you know how to prepare your vegetable sauce in an easier way. You see, we didn't even use lots of ingredients. You can easily cook any delicious meal. It's just about having the knowledge about what and what to use. Then that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Then hit the like button if you liked this video. Also leave a comment for me in the comment section below. Tell me the kinds of video you would love to see next. I would really love to hear from you. Then share this video with your family and friends. Till next time. Bye.